Hello friends, today we are going to solve the baseline test of English for standard ninth. Here is the paper of question paper of baseline test 2024-25 standard 9 subject English third language. So in this paper there are two types of sections, oral section and writing section. So here is the oral section. Question 1 and 2 related here with two questions. The first question here, read any prose passage or poetic extract from the textbook. So teacher will ask the students to read 5 or 6 lines of any prose or poetry of the textbook. Here in the first question, teacher will ask the student to read 5 or 6 lines of any prose or poetry of the textbook. इथे शिक्षक एखादी पॅसेज किंवा एखादी पोयम त्यातील 5 किंवा 6 ओळी किंवा वाक्य विद्यार्थ्यांना त्या ठिकाणी वाचायला लावतील. सो हियर इज द फर्स्ट सेक्शन. नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन हियर, you have given a particular topic. On that topic you have expressed your opinion or views. So some of the topics are given here. Trees are our best friend, our festivals, save water, save the future, my role model. So in this way student will choose any of the one of the topics here and express his own opinion. Okay, so in this way there is a oral exam, oral section, and it has 10 marks. Now there is second section here, writing section, and it has 50 marks. So including 60 marks are there for this question paper. Question number 3, do as directed. दर्शविल्याप्रमाणे करा. A, write the full forms of the following contracted forms. So can't, the full form cannot, let's, let us. Then B, arrange the following words in alphabetical order: badminton, golf, skating and carom. So it is very simple here. So badminton is the first word because it started here the letter, the alphabet B. So B is the second form of alphabets here. Then carom, golf and skating. So in this way we can arrange all these words as per the alphabetical order. Now the C, complete the following web as shown in the example. So here is the web diagram. So the main center of the web diagram indicates the noun, and you have to fill some other words regarding to this noun. It means that the describing words are adjective related to this noun dance. So dance is the noun and some of the regarding words which are here in the bracket, they are here adjectives. Okay, so dance, one particular action is given here to you. Dance, beautiful, beautiful dance. Then classical dance, great dance. So here great, classical, group dance, solo dance. So these are the adjectives referred for the noun dance. Okay, now D, make two words minimum of 3 letters each using the letters in the word. So the given word is here misunderstanding. You have to prepare two words regarding to this word. बघा, मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग या शब्दापासून तुम्हाला इथे 2 शब्द बनवायचे होते. पहिला शब्द या ठिकाणी दिला आहे पहा बेटा, अंडर. दूसरा शब्द या ठिकाणी बनवला आहे स्टँडिंग. सो इन दिस वे वी हॅव कंप्लीटेड A, B, C and D in question number 3. Now question number 4. In question number 4 there is a paragraph regarding to the 8th standard. It is the paragraph of 8th standard and related to PV Sindhu. So here is the paragraph and some of the questions are here regarding to this passage. Read the following passage and do the activities. काय करायचं आहे, तुम्हाला हा पॅसेज व्यवस्थित वाचायचा आहे आणि त्या पॅसेजवर आधारित हे जे काही प्रश्न तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी दिलेले आहेत त्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरं या ठिकाणी लिहायची आहे बघा. सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हियर, स्टेट वेदर द गिवन स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स. द फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स इज हियर, PV Sindhu इज अ फुटबॉल प्लेयर. So it is wrong statements here, so note down here false. Then her father was honored with Arjun award, so it is true as per the passage. The statement is true here, it is right statement, so note down here true. Now the third statement here, PV Sindhu started playing badminton at the age of 10, so it is false statement here. Then sentence number 4, PV Sindhu's parents were professional volleyball players. So it is also true statement here. Now B section, there is a wave diagram regarding to PV Sindhu and four squares are given here to you. Here name of her parents, PV Ramanna and P Vijaya. So it has been given here in the paragraph. Then inspiration from Pulela Gopichand. She has got full of inspiration from Pulela Gopichand and he became the role model for her. ओके, तिने प्रेरणा कोणापासून घेतली तर पुलेला गोपीचंद्स व्हिक्ट्री असं या ठिकाणी पॅसेजमध्ये दिलेलं आहे पहा. नंतर तिसरा मुद्दा या ठिकाणी दिला आहे पहा, हर इनिशियल apprenticeship started with Mehboob Ali. So it has been also given here in the paragraph. She enhanced her sporting skills. Okay, so in this way we have completed this wave diagram. Now C, find out antonyms from the passage. विरुद्धार्थी शब्द पॅसेज मधून तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी लिहायचे आहे पहा. फिनिश्ड, स्टार्टेड, ओल्ड, न्यू, बॉटम, टॉप, failure, success. Then grammar related questions in D, add a question tag. So you have given two sentences here for question tag. The first sentence is here, PV Sindhu started playing badminton from the age of 8. So here in the sentence it is the started is the verb and it has been given here in past tense form. So we have to use here did. The negative form of did become didn't. Okay. So PV Sindhu started playing badminton from the age of 8, didn't she? So that is the answer. PV Sindhu हे या ठिकाणी नाऊन दिलेलं आहे, त्याचं प्रोनाऊनमध्ये आपल्याला या ठिकाणी रूपांतर करावं लागेल, शी असं करावं लागेल, didn't she. हे करेक्ट आन्सर या ठिकाणी आहे बघा, ॲड अ क्वेश्चन टॅगसाठी. Now the second sentence here, so here is the second sentence regarding to this passage. Her father was honored with Arjuna award. So question tag here, her father was. So was is the helping verb to be formed in past tense. Was हे हेल्पिंग वर्ब या ठिकाणी आहे, त्याचं नकारार्थी रूप वाजंट असं होईल क्वेश्चन टॅग करताना बघा. हर फादर वाज ऑनर्ड विथ अर्जुना अवॉर्ड, वाजंट ही असं त्या ठिकाणी येईल पहा, वाजंट ही बघा. हर फादरचं रूपांतर या ठिकाणी होईल वाजंट ही बघा. पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्स क्वेश्चन हियर, यू हॅव टू एक्सप्रेस युअर ओन ओपिनियन फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. Write the names of two well-known Indian awards. We know that Bharat Ratna and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award. So these are the two well-known awards of India. Okay. Now in this way we have completed question number 4. In question number 5 there is a poem regarding to the standard 8th and the name of that poem is here, Try Again, and it has been written here by W.E. Hickson. So regarding to this poem there are some questions we have to solve. Complete the following lines here. You have to complete these two lines regarding to this poem. Tis a lesson you should heed. Okay, so it has been given here. Okay, tis a lesson Okay, in the first line of this poem, "'Tis a lesson you should heed." So complete this. "'Tis a lesson you should heed." Then the next line is here, "Time will bring you your reward." Okay, so time will bring you your reward. It has been also given here in the poem. So in this way we have completed it. Now in B, what qualities are important when you are struggling for success? Okay, so the answer is here, when we are struggling for सक्सेस, ज्या वेळेला आपण यश मिळवण्यासाठी धडपड करतो, धावपळ करतो, त्यावेळेला कोणत्या गुणांची आवश्यकता असते किंवा यशाचा पाठलाग करत असताना आपल्याला कोणत्या गुणांची, कोणत्या क्वालिटीजची या ठिकाणी गरज असते, असा प्रश्न तुम्हाला दिलेला होता बघा. व्हेन वी आर स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर सक्सेस, हार्डवर्क, परसिवरन्स, कॉन्फिडन्स, डेडिकेशन, डिवोशन, डिटर्मिनेशन, these qualities are important here for achieving our success. Okay, and you have to try again and again for achieving success. That is also important here. Okay, it is impossible here for us to get success in a single stroke, so you have to do it again and again. Okay, so that is the proper message which is given here through this poem. Now the next question regarding to the regarding to the poem, find out the pairs of rhyming words: frail, prevail, race, case. Now the next, there is also a poem Truth. It is also related here with 8th standard. You have already learned in the last year. Okay, so the points are given here. Appreciation of the poem. 5 points are there for appreciation of the poem: title of the poem, name of the poet, rhyme scheme, then poet has used figure of speeches. Okay, then central idea or theme of the poem. So these are the main 5 points for appreciation of this poem. So here the title of the poem is, you know that Truth is the title of this poem. Then name of the poet. This poem is written by Barry Wade. Okay, so now in this way we can note down here, this poem is written by Barry Wade, or the name of the poet is here Barry Wade. Then rhyme scheme of the poem is here ABCB. The poet has used figure of speeches, alliteration, repetition in this poem. Alliterationचा अर्थ या ठिकाणी होतो अनुप्रास अलंकार आणि रिपिटेशनचा अर्थ होतो पुनरावृत्ती अलंकार. या दोन अलंकारांचा वापर कवीने या कवितेत या ठिकाणी केलेला आहे. So the central idea or theme of this poem: we should speak kind and gentle words while speaking. We should think before going to speak. Do not use painful and harsh words while speaking. So in this way we can note down the central idea or theme of the poem. Okay, as per the poem which is given here to you. Then question number 6 we have completed here. Then question number 7 is given to you. Now read this. Read the following passage and do the activities. So here is the passage. The passage is given here, and regarding to this passage, 5 types of questions are given here. Question A, B, C, D. Okay. A type question here. Choose the correct option from the brackets and complete the sentences. So Shantanu was an dash dash by profession. So here in the passage there is mentioned that Shantanu was an engineer. So the right answer is here an engineer. Okay. The passage is about dog collar. The passage is here dog collar. It is about dog collar. So it has been also given here in the passage. Now next question here. B, complete the following. So here is the passage regarding to the person Shantanu who was the engineer in Tata Industry. Okay, so here Shantanu's acts are given here for saving the life of dog. So here is the mention here in this passage. The regarding acts here, he had been run over by speeding vehicles. So this is the first action for saving the life of that dog, which is done by Shantanu in this paragraph. Okay, now the second action is here, he could rescue the lives of street dogs. Okay, here there are two actions. Acts means here actions regarding to Shantanu to for saving the life of that dog. Okay, now see, here is the table you have to complete. Present tense and past tense. So past tense for spoke is given here. So the main verb of here speak is the main verb, and past tense form here spoke. Then find is the present tense form, and the past tense form is here found. So in this way we have completed this. Now grammar, do as directed. He spoke to citizens. Change the sentence into present perfect tense. हे जे वाक्य आहे तुम्हाला इथे साध्या भूतकाळात दिलेलं आहे पहा, सब्जेक्ट प्लस पी टी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. आता ही रचना आपल्याला सब्जेक्ट प्लस हॅज प्लस पी पी प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस कॉम्प्लिमेंट्स या रचनेत आपल्याला चेंज करायची आहे पहा. म्हणजेच प्रेझेंट परफेक्ट टेन्समध्ये म्हणजे पूर्ण वर्तमान काळामध्ये हे वाक्य आपल्याला इथे चेंज करायचं होतं बघा. त्याचं उत्तर असं येईल पहा, ही हॅज स्पोकन टू सिटिझन. बघा, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हॅज प्लस पी पी प्लस ओ प्लस सी या सूत्रानुसार आपण हे वाक्य या ठिकाणी कंप्लीट केलं आहे पहा. ही हॅज स्पोकन टू सिटिझन्स. देन चेंज द वाइस. शंतनू रोट अ लेटर टू रतन टाटा. चेंज द वाइस हियर. So here in this sentence, a letter is the object and it is here in simple past tense. So the helping verb is here was. Okay, a letter is the object, helping verb was, because the verb is given here in past tense form, simple past tense form. So here a letter was past participle of written. A letter was written to Ratan Tata by Shantanu. So in this way we have to change the passive voice form, okay, for this sentence here. The sentence is here in active voice form. You have to change this form into passive like this. A letter was written to Ratan Tata by Shantanu. Okay. Now personal response question E. How will you help an old person who wants to cross the road? So here I will help an old person who wants to cross the road by showing him the right path, means here way. Where he wants to go, I will give him the support of my hand. So in this way, I will help an old person as per my level. Okay. So here is the personal response question. You have expressed your own opinion for this question. हा पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्स क्वेश्चन आहे. याला तुम्ही तुमचं वैयक्तिक मत या ठिकाणी मांडू शकता आणि तुमच्या वैयक्तिक मतानुसार तुम्ही हा प्रश्न या ठिकाणी सोडवू शकता. द नेक्स्ट, हिअर इज द लेटर रायटिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. इमॅजिन दॅट यू आर ईश्वर और ईश्वरी मावले रेसिडिंग इन लोणी मावळा. रीड द फॉलोइंग पोस्टर. हिअर इज द पोस्टर रिगार्डिंग टू दिस हिअर. And I have prepared such type of letter regarding to this leaflet. Okay, so write a letter to the Gram Sevak or Sevika of Loni Mawla village, drawing his or her attention and seeking cooperation regarding the cleanliness campaign. Use the points given in the poster. Add your own ideas. So here you have to imagine at first that you are Ishwar Mawde. So note down the address at first like this: Ishwar Mawde, Loni Mawla, Taluka, Parner, District, Ahmednagar, and date. Now to the Gram Sevak, Loni Mawla. So here two address are there. Okay. Now salutation of the letter. Respected sir, comma, I would like to inform you that Chhatrapati Shivaji Vidyalaya Parner. So all the information is given here in this letter, okay, in this question. So I would like to inform you that Chhatrapati Shivaji Vidyalaya Parner has arranged cleanliness week from 1st June 2024 to 10th June 2024. I would like to draw your attention and seeking cooperation regarding to the cleanliness of the campaign. I am requesting you to help us in this social work. Through this campaign, we have to inform the people to use their dustbin, keep your locality. So all these points are given here. Okay, locality, clean, use toilets every day, don't spit on roads and walls, and plant more trees on open ground. So all these points are here in this in the question form. Okay, so you have to notate it in the letter like this. Now the next part of the letter. So I hope the last line of the letter here. I hope that, comma, you will help us in this social work. Then thanking you, exclamation mark. Then yours faithfully, comma, Ishwar Maule. Okay, as per the question. Then information transfer is given here to you. Write two short paragraphs. Write two short paragraphs in musical instruments and give a suitable title. So here musical instruments is the importance of musical instruments are given here in the passage. We have to prepare the paragraph like this. So there are many musical instruments such as tabla, flute, dholak, sitar, drum, violin, piano and keyboard. All these instruments are very important for playing music for a particular song. Because of these musical instruments, we can give proper rhythm to the particular song. Classical music totally depended on these musical instruments. And the title is here. We can give the title like this. Title: The importance of musical instruments. The importance of musical instruments. So in this way we can give the title for this passage here. Then last question here, translation. Translate the following words into your mother tongue. Means here in the medium of your instructions. Okay. So फ्रेंडशिप, मैत्री, आईसबर्ग, त्याला बर्फाचा ढीग किंवा हिमखंड असं म्हणतात मराठीमध्ये. म्युझिशियन, संगीतकार, यू नो दॅट. देन ट्रान्सलेट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस इन युअर मदर टंग. ओके, खालील वाक्य आपल्या मातृभाषेमध्ये चेंज करायची आहेत. बघा. हु इज युअर फेवराईट सिंगर? तुमचा आवडता गायक कोण? आय लाईक टू प्ले द तबला. मला तबला वाजवायला आवडतो. अ फ्रेंड इन नीड इज अ फ्रेंड इन डीड. संकटकाळी कामात पडतो तोच खरा मित्र. देन द लास्ट, थिंक बिफोर यू स्पीक. बोलण्यापूर्वी विचार करा. सो इन दिस वे वी हॅव कम्प्लिटेड all these question paper here. Okay, have a nice day to all of you. I am requesting to all of you to subscribe my channel. Thank you.